Hey guys! Paying with Venmo on Shein is super easy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps. So to pay with Venmo on Shein, follow these simple steps. When you're ready to check out, look for the option to pay with PayPal or Venmo. Shein often offers a touch-free payment option, similar to what you might see at stores like CVS. At checkout, you'll usually be prompted to scan a QR code or log in through PayPal. Just select Venmo as your payment method, confirm the total, and complete the transaction. Before finalizing, make sure to review your order and payment info for accuracy. So once everything looks good, click Confirm to complete the purchase. So after the payment is processed, you'll receive an email confirmation from Shein with all your order details. And that's it. You've successfully paid on Shein using Venmo. Thanks for watching.